Life-changing gadgets don't always come with a hefty price tag. In fact, many affordable devices can make your daily routine easier, more efficient, and even more enjoyable, without costing a fortune. In this video, we've handpicked the top 5 best affordable gadgets that pack innovation, functionality, and value into every penny. For more details on these products, check the links in the description below. Let's get started. First on our list is the TP-Link Kasa Smart Plug Mini. Imagine controlling your appliances with just a tap on your phone or even your voice. This compact smart plug works with Alexa and Google Assistant, letting you schedule devices, monitor energy usage, or turn them on and off remotely. It's perfect for automating your daily routines, like turning off the lights when you're already cozy in bed or brewing coffee before you wake up. At just around $20, it's a small investment for a smarter, more convenient home. Why it'll change your life. TP-Link Kasa Smart Plug Mini simplifies home automation, saving time and reducing energy costs. It's ideal for people who want to dip their toes into smart home technology without spending a fortune. Why you should buy. Easy setup and user-friendly app. Setting it up is straightforward, and the app interface is intuitive, making it accessible for all users. Compact design avoids blocking adjacent outlets. Its slim design ensures it fits snugly without obstructing nearby outlets, maximizing convenience. Affordable and reliable. It offers excellent value for money with dependable performance, making it a practical choice for budget-conscious buyers. Why you shouldn't buy. Limited to Wi-Fi networks, no Bluetooth support, it only works with Wi-Fi, so devices relying on Bluetooth connectivity won't be compatible. Requires a stable internet connection for remote functionality. A consistent internet connection is essential for accessing and controlling it remotely. Interruptions can limit its usability. Next, we have the TileMate Bluetooth Tracker is a small, lightweight Bluetooth tracker designed to help you keep track of essential items like keys, wallets, and bags. Never lose track of what matters with the Tile Tracker. With the Tile app, you can easily ring your tracker or view its location on a map, so your essentials are always within reach. Misplaced your phone? No problem. Just double-press the Tile button, and it'll ring, even on silent. Built for convenience, it boasts a replaceable battery that keeps going strong for up to 3 years. Plus, whether you're Team Android or iOS, Tile has you covered with compatibility for both. Stay connected and worry-free. Why it'll change your life. It reduces the stress of misplacing everyday essentials and ensures you can quickly find them, saving time and frustration. Why you should buy. Compact and lightweight design. Its sleek and portable design makes it easy to carry or place anywhere without taking up much space. Long Bluetooth range, up to 250 feet, you can stay connected from a considerable distance, providing excellent flexibility for use around the home or office. Integration with voice assistants like Alexa. Seamlessly works with popular voice assistants, making it convenient to control hands-free. Why you shouldn't buy. Requires the Tile Premium subscription for advanced features. Essential features like smart alerts are locked behind a subscription, adding extra costs. Limited range in densely packed areas. The Bluetooth range significantly reduces in crowded environments, affecting its reliability in such settings. Meet the Ninja BC15 portable rechargeable blender designed for people who love fresh beverages on the go. It's lightweight, compact, and easy to use, making it perfect for travel, work, or outdoor activities. Experience convenience on the go with this portable USB charging blender. Recharge it easily via USB and enjoy multiple uses on a single charge, perfect for your busy lifestyle. Its compact design fits seamlessly into most cup holders and bags, so you can take it anywhere. With a powerful motor, it effortlessly blends fruits, ice, and other ingredients for your favorite smoothies. Plus, cleaning is a breeze thanks to its detachable, dishwasher-safe parts. Blend, recharge, and enjoy, all with a compact, high-performance blender that's ready whenever you are. Why it'll change your life. It promotes a healthy lifestyle by enabling you to make fresh smoothies or protein shakes anytime, anywhere, encouraging better nutrition even on busy days. Why you should buy. Portable and travel-friendly. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, perfect for blending on the go. Easy to use and clean. User-friendly controls and simple cleaning process save time and effort. BPA-free material for safe blending. Made from BPA-free materials, ensuring your blends are safe and free from harmful chemicals. Why you shouldn't buy. Smaller blending capacity compared to traditional blenders. its limited capacity may not be ideal for preparing large batches of smoothies or other blended items. Not suitable for heavy-duty blending tasks. It may struggle with tougher ingredients or large quantities, making it less effective for heavy-duty blending needs. Next on our list is the TaoTronics LED desk lamp. This lamp is a multifunctional lighting solution designed for workspaces, offering customizable lighting and the convenience of a built-in USB charger. Illuminate your space with this versatile lamp designed for both function and style. Featuring adjustable lighting, you can easily choose from various color temperatures and brightness levels to create the perfect ambience. The built-in USB charging port lets you charge your devices directly from the lamp, adding even more convenience to your setup. Thanks to energy-efficient LED bulbs, it uses less power and lasts longer than traditional bulbs. Plus, its flexible design with an adjustable arm and head ensures you can direct light exactly where you need it, making it the ideal addition to any room. Why it'll change your life? It enhances productivity by providing a well-lit workspace and keeps your devices charged, making it perfect for students, remote workers, or anyone who spends long hours at. Last on our list is the Miady 2-pack 10,000 mAh dual USB portable charger. If you're always running low on battery while out and about, this portable charger is a game changer. It's lightweight, compact, and perfect for keeping your devices charged when you don't have access to a wall outlet. The Miady power bank features dual USB ports, so you can charge two devices at once, and its 10,000 mAh capacity is enough to fully charge most smartphones twice. Plus, with two in the pack, you're always prepared, whether you're on a long trip or need to power up at work or school. For under $30, this power bank is a must-have for anyone who needs to stay connected, no matter where they are. Why you should buy? High capacity, 10,000 mAh, each power bank provides enough juice to fully charge most smartphones twice, making it perfect for long trips or extended use. Dual USB ports. You can charge two devices simultaneously, which is a huge convenience when you're on the go and need to power up multiple devices. Compact and lightweight. Despite its large capacity, the Miady power bank is lightweight and compact, making it easy to carry in your bag or backpack without adding bulk. Fast charging. Equipped with fast charging technology, it charges your devices quickly, so you don't have to wait long before getting back to using them. 2-pack value. With two power banks in the pack, you always have a backup. One can stay at home, while the other can go with you on the road, ensuring you're never without power. Affordable. For the price, you get an excellent value for two high-capacity power banks, making it a great budget option for people who need reliable charging solutions. Why you shouldn't buy? No wireless charging. If you're looking for a charger that supports wireless charging, this power bank won't be suitable since it relies entirely on wired USB charging. Longer charging time for power banks. Charging the power banks themselves can take a while, especially if you're using both ports to charge them at once, so it might require some patience. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give it a like, and share it with your friends who could use some tech upgrades in their lives. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay tech savvy.